In this video, we will solve some numericals based on Carnot cycle. Our first numerical is a Carnot cycle is to be designed to attain efficiency of 0.75 if temperature of high temperature reservoir is 727 degrees Celsius, then low temperature reservoir will have to be maintained at which temperature? तो इस क्वेश्चन में मिल क्या रहा है? इफ़िशियंसी ऑफ 0.75 ये मिल गई कार्नोट साइकिल की इफ़िशियंसी। हाई टेम्परेचर रिजर्वायर का टेम्परेचर है 727 डिग्री सेल्सियस और हमें कैलकुलेट करना है टेम्परेचर ऑफ लो टेम्परेचर रिजर्वायर। नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व इट। सॉल्यूशन क्वेश्चन में दिया क्या है? ईटा इज इक्वल टू 0.75 T2 52 is temperature of high reservoir, then T2 is equal to 727 degree centigrade is equal to 727 plus 273 is equal to 1000 Kelvin. Now let's assume that temperature of low temperature reservoir is T1, so we have to calculate T1. Now we know that eta is equal to T2 minus T1 upon T2, where T2 is temperature of source, T1 is temperature of sink, is equal to 0.75 is equal to 727 minus T1 upon 1000 Kelvin. On solving we get 0.75 into 1000, this is equal to 727 minus T1, or T1 is equal to 727 minus 750 is equal to minus 23 degree centigrade. So the temperature of the low temperature reservoir or sink is minus 23 degree centigrade. Our second numerical is a cycle heat engine. A cyclic heat engine does 50 kilojoule of work per cycle. If efficiency of engine is 75%, then calculate the heat rejected per cycle. तो इस इक्वेशन में मिल क्या रहा है? 50 किलोजूल, ये क्या है? दिस इज वर्क डन पर साइकिल एंड efficiency is 75%. Now we have to calculate the heat rejected per cycle. Now let's solve this numerical. Eta is equal to 75% दिया है, efficiency is equal to 75%. and we know that, or we can write it 0.75. We know that eta is equal to W upon Q1, where W is work done, Q1 is heat taken from the source, then we have to calculate Q2, which is heat rejected to the sink. Now eta is equal to W upon Q1 is equal to 0.75. Or we can say that 0.75 is equal to, this is 50 kilojoule upon Q1. From here we can calculate Q1. So Q1 is equal to 50 upon 0.75. Now let's solve it, and we will get Q1 is equal to 200 upon 3. Now we know that W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. Work done per cycle is equal to heat taken from the source minus heat rejected to the sink. From here, on solving, we get Q2 is equal to Q1 minus W. Now let's put the value of Q1 and W in this expression. Then we will get Q2 is equal to, Q1 is 200 upon 3 and W is 50. So Q2 is equal to 200 upon 3 minus 50. On solving, we will get Q2 is equal to 50 upon 3 is equal to 16.6 kilojoule. So heat rejected per cycle is equal to 16.6 kilojoule. Now let's take another numerical. A Carnot cycle refrigerator operates between 250 degree Kelvin and 300 Kelvin. What is the value of coefficient of performance? तो इस न्यूमेरिकल में टेम्परेचर्स दिए हैं 250 केल्विन एंड 300 केल्विन. तो 250 केल्विन टेम्परेचर के रिजर्वायर से हीट ली जाएगी और दी जाएगी 300 केल्विन के रिजर्वायर को, क्योंकि रेफ्रिजरेटर का वर्क क्या है कि लो टेम्परेचर रिजर्वायर से हीट लेके और हाई टेम्परेचर रिजर्वायर को देता है. इसमें हमें कैलकुलेट फाइंड आउट करना है कोफिशिएंट ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द रेफ्रिजरेटर, और सिंपली वी कैन कॉल इट एफिशिएंसी ऑफ दिस रेफ्रिजरेटर. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व इट. वी नो दैट COP, coefficient of performance or efficiency of refrigerator, will be given by T2 upon T1 minus T2, where T2 is temperature of cold body, T1 is temperature of hot body. Now let's put value of T2 and T1. T2 is 250, T1 is 300. Now let's solve it. Here we get 250 upon 50 is equal to 5. So coefficient of performance or efficiency of the refrigerator is 5.